fishing for smallies with Bradley. So we end up getting another package in the mail from Sweevy Lures. We're about to open her up. I had a hard time getting this thing out of my little tiny box in my mailbox. I live in an apartment duplex. Well, my mailbox is like that small and about that long. And this thing was wedged up in there. Don't ask me how the mailman put it in there, because I have no clue. But we're going to open it up right now. See what we got. Man, they really seal these things. Alright, so first off, looks like it went like when they stuffed it in the mailbox. It got a little bent up right there, but it's alright. Nothing's broke. But this is the what is this? It's a Whopper Plopper. It's the 130 top water. Not sure the color on it. It looks like a perch style. There's that. And we got, it's like a lipless, all blue. It's pretty sweet fishing lures. Not sure what it's called, but, and we got another one of these, which so far, I have a pink one like this, and I'm in love with it. The other one that I have glows in the dark. I'm not sure about this one. I'm not sure on the name of them, but these things will catch you lots of fish. Guaranteed. They're like a spook type bait. They walk the dog, or you can pop them just once and they'll go sideways really quick. They're pretty cool. Let's see, he sent us some, it's like some like drop shot baits or some swim baits. Let's see what they're called. All blue soft baits. Here's one pack. You got swim baits. I don't know if you guys can see those that well. They're kind of see-through, hologram type. But there's that one. Here's another pack of them. And here's some different ones. These are, I figured these things out. These are soft baits, but they're green. These ones are green, a little bit longer. Look about like 6-inch, 7-inch. There's those. Let's see what else we got. Okay, he sent us a bunch of Whopper Ploppers. We got Whopper Ploppers. Here's another one. This one is the 110. Not sure the name on that, but we'll figure it out. Here's another Whopper Plopper. It's the 90. Whopper Plopper 90. Another Whopper Plopper. It's another 110. This is the one that I liked. Let's see. No, we got some more Whopper Ploppers. Another one of these ones. That's my favorite so far. And another one. It's the 130. So here's two 130s. This one. This one. 130s. We got us another Whopper Plopper in here. Looks like another 90. And we got some catch-all 110. Throw it anywhere, catch fish everywhere baits. And they're kind of like the, so I seen these, I was really interested in these. And they're just like the 360 GT swim baits kind of that they have at Walmart. They kind of resemble that in a way, but these things will catch you some fish, no joke, all day, every day. And you can literally reuse these things. You can catch hundreds of fish with just one of these. I've done it. Anyways, there's one more. Looks like it came out of the package. It would be the one that I like, the one that glows in the dark on the bottom. There that is. Well, So we're throwing the 130 Sweevy Lures Whopper Plopper today.